This SUV is designed for both city drivers and off-road enthusiasts. During the Ford Bronco 2025 POV drive, the open-air freedom with removable doors and roof gives you the ultimate off-road experience. In POV videos, what catches drivers' attention most is the Bronco's stable handling and effortless performance on tough terrains. Inside, the Ford Bronco interior is built for versatility, with marine-grade vinyl seats, washable floors, a large 12-inch multimedia display, and Apple CarPlay Android Auto support. It's perfect for both rugged adventures and everyday use. Ford Bronco specs include 2.3-liter EcoBoost i4 or 2.7-liter V6 engine options, 7-speed manual or 10-speed automatic transmission, standard 4x4 system, impressive towing capability. The Ford Bronco 2025 changes focus mainly on improved comfort, including rear passenger ventilation, new safety systems, tech upgrades, and some design refinements. One of the standout features of the Bronco is its 35-inch off-road tires. These massive tires increase ground clearance, giving the SUV extra height and making it easier to conquer rocky, muddy, and sandy trails with confidence.
Let me help you revive. Let me guide you to revive the light. Let me guide you to revive the light. 'Cause there ain't no way. Feel like taking over. 'Cause there ain't no way. No way. Go to the pressure of the outside. Come to me. Let me help you. 'Cause I just can't stay.